After making sure your computer satisfies the minimum requirements, you can go to Google and search for Install VS 2017. You will want to click on Visual Studio Downloads page. You will be redirected to a page where you can select the community version to download. Just want to give you a quick comparison here. Professional and Enterprise are paid versions of Visual Studio and are created for developers and programmers who work in teams. Each comes with some extra features that we won't need for our course anyway. Visual Studio Code is a code editor with a strong focus on writing command lines and is a separate piece of software from Visual Studio. Its advantage is it is very light to install, and you can add extra plugins easily to enhance its features. Anyway, let's click on the free download button to download Visual Studio Community. You will be redirected to the thank you page, and the Bootstrapper file will be downloaded to your computer. Notice that it is just the Bootstrapper file, which is why it is only more than 1 megabyte. It does not contain the real installation file. Then go to your machine and double-click on the Bootstrapper. When asked if you allow this app to modify your device, click Yes. You will then be asked again to acknowledge the Microsoft license terms and privacy statement. If you're like me, just click on Continue without bothering to click on the terms. But hey, there's no harm if you want to read it. Next, you will be presented with a product screen. Then you will see a list of workloads that you can select to install with Visual Studio. We will only use console application to demonstrate many C# concepts in this course, and for that, I will tick the .NET Desktop Environment workload. I also suggest you to select the ASP.NET and Web Development workload if you intend to build any web application and/or website. As you may already know, web development is everywhere because everything needs to be online these days. I will tick it as well. A quick look around this tab and you can see that Visual Studio is quite powerful. It also supports templates to develop Node.js application. Node.js is a very popular choice to execute JavaScript code on the server side. The web template that I recommend also includes ASP.NET Core, which includes templates to develop AngularJS application. AngularJS is another highly popular framework to build front-end application. It also supports mobile development with Xamarin and even game development with Unity. You can also check out the individual components tab if you do not want to bundle installation via workloads. However, this is only for users who are already familiar with Visual Studio. I will not cover this installation method in this course. You can also select extra language packs. This will allow you to view menus, dialog boxes, and other user interface items in your preferred language using the Language Control panel. For now, let's keep our feet on the ground and stick with the two workloads that I recommend. Let's also have a look at the location text box to make sure you are installing Visual Studio where you want it to be. I will leave mine as default, but you definitely can change your installation folder. You may or may not have another text box next to location called installation nickname. If you see it, you can leave it as is. Finally, we can click on the Install button to start installing the selected items. The installation may take a while. If you are asked to confirm the installation again, just click Yes. You will need administrator rights to proceed with the installation.